Now I need to select this Viper again. Okay, let me search for the Viper. Is here. And for the Viper, I want to go ahead and add another levels. Okay, it's already clicked. And on this level, I want to increase the highlight very well. Add some highlights. Remove some contrasts. I need more of the highlights. Like this. And now, I'm still going to go ahead and invert the color. Hit on B, decrease the size of my brush. And hit on Ctrl+0. Let's paint. Make sure the foreground color is white. It's white, okay. And increase the opacity this time around. And let's check if there's any effect. Now there's some effect, okay. Now let's paint over here as well. The light should be meeting here. The head, obviously, close to the eyes. This part, this part, on this part as well. Here, this side, this part right here, and obviously this side. The light is touching here, obviously this side. The down parts. Okay, here, the light should be touching here. Okay, touching here, not so much. Obviously here it's not touching these parts. Okay, Ctrl+1. Okay, there's reflection of the light into our design. And this is it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next video, and we will continue from where we stop.